This is the Nature Coast Volunteer Center in Citrus County, and this is footage of our donations for our Pail project supporting Make a Difference Day on October 23rd, where we'll be having several volunteers come in and help pack pails just like this one here for Make a Difference Day, and the pails will then be donated to the homeless and needy families here in Citrus County, Florida. We're hoping to pack 350 pails or more, and that event will culminate on the 23rd of October. And these are all of the generous donations that people have already provided to us to help support the project. There are several partners in this project. It's the Nature Coast Volunteer Center, Retired and Senior Volunteer Program, the United Way, and several other community groups here in Citrus County, Florida, supporting the project.